Good morning, everybody. Me and Captain Gill are up here in the canal this morning. This is actually day 2 of us fishing, so this video is going to kind of jump around just a little bit. But we went out yesterday and we dealt with some weather, and then the fish just didn't really want to cooperate, so we're back out here this morning to do it again. We switched it up. Yesterday we fished down by the inlet and out in the Gulf, and today we're going to fish all the backwaters up in the intercoastal, maybe a creek or two. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Ooh, let's go! Yeah, that was quick. Lord, I either have a huge one or just getting my butt kicked. Oh yeah, pretty one. Whew. It's definitely rolly out here, guys, that's for sure. We came out of the pass just joking like we're gonna try to find them out here, but when it's really rough like this, which is not really rough, it's just big rollers, it makes it really hard to see these schools of redfish this time of the year. But we were cruising, I looked over and I saw a couple birds diving, and we got close, and all of a sudden it was just like a big brown spot underneath the water. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful redfish. Plus side to November in Orange Beach, Alabama. There you go. Sweet. There we go. What do we got? What do we got? Another little black drum. Yep. A little puppy drum. Like, sir. And a little puppy drum, but good little start. Pretty little guy. These guys actually get really, really big. This is I'd say an edible size. When they're this small, they're really good eating. But these guys can grow up 50, 60 pounds. So, cool. Go. What we got? A little guy. Hey, little baby redfish. Sweet. Covered in spots too. Pretty little guy. 5 spots on that side. 4 on that side. Awesome, awesome. Oh, that's good stuff. Oh, he's all wrapped up. Come here, buddy. Nah, you don't need it. A little bit better than the last one. He'd almost be a keeper. Really pretty little redfish. It's probably 14 inches or so. Guys, I'm gonna start this right from the beginning because there seems to be quite a few redfish sitting in here. If you can find a good little school, just about as soon as you get it in there, it gets eaten. So let's see. We're getting hits. Ooh, that may have been a bait fish. This would be the time that I jinxed it. Oh, there he is. There he is. Oh, he come off. All right, we're gonna try that again. All right, let's do this one more time. That was a little too far. We'll let it ride. Come on. There he is. Almost every cast, as soon as you put it in there. Nice little red. Pretty little redfish. That's what's cool about these little slot reds, or almost slot reds, y'all. You find a good little school of them, You can catch, well, this is probably number 6 off this dock, and we've been here 10 minutes. So it's always a good time. Oh yeah, white drum. Very nice. There you go, sir. Oh, that's bait fish over there too. Leave me alone, pinfish. Ooh, that's not a pinfish. No, get out of there. Get out of there. Get off the piling. Get off the piling. They're up underneath it, Gil. Like way in there. Look, if we run a tournament for 14-inch redfish, I won. That Sea Works live bait hook's doing work. Got a pair of bald eagles sitting here. That is awesome. I didn't think there was anything here. That's a good fish. I don't know yet. Oh, I think it's a white drum. Oh, it's a pretty little black drum. Calm down. Good Lord, you got attitude. Alright. Scoop. Thanks, sir. That is a pretty little black drum. We've caught, what, 5 or 6 of these now?
A couple of them.
Yeah. Pretty little guy. Another good eating size. Get him back in. That was a good hit right there when I first got it in there. There it is. Uh-oh. It's got me around piling. Come out.
I think they pulled them up.
There he goes. Come out of there, buddy. Guys, anytime you are fishing docks like that, if the redfish or whatever it is you're hooked up on runs you around the dock, most times you'll just chill out for a second and like just take all the pressure off the line. He'll swim back out most of the time. Maybe almost a keeper. 14, 15 inches. Really, really pretty. What's up, everybody? I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hopefully we get some clearer weather here in these upcoming weeks so we can be out on the boat a little bit more. We've been dealing with a lot of rain and a lot of 20-mile-an-hour wind days. So anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thank y'all so much, guys. Remember, like, subscribe, go follow us on all other platforms, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and we will see y'all on the next one.